Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix the error that says you require permission from system to delete a folder. First, find the folder that you cannot delete. Right-click on the folder and choose Properties. A new window will open. Click on the Security tab at the top. This is where Windows controls who can access the folder. Next, click the Advanced button. In the new window, look at the top where it shows the owner of the folder. Click the change link next to the owner's name. A small box will appear. Type everyone in the field. Click Check Names to confirm it. If the name becomes underlined, click OK. Now look for the option that says Replace owner on subcontainers and objects. Check this box. This makes sure all files inside the folder follow the same rule. Click Apply and then OK. If you still cannot delete the folder, go back to the Security tab. Click Edit and then click Add. Type everyone again and click OK. Select everyone from the list. Under Permissions, check the Full Control box in the Allow column. Click Apply and then OK. Finally, go to the General tab in the Properties window. Make sure the Read Only option is not checked. If it is checked, uncheck it and click Apply. After these steps, close all windows and try deleting the folder again. This should fix the permission error. Thanks for watching.